I'm gonna show you how to make the champ. First, we need a random piece of paper, or like a copy paper, A4 paper. You could use A3, but it's the same thing, almost the same thing, but just larger. Then we're gonna fold the piece of paper into half. Yep, and then we're going to fold it into quarters. First quarters would tell us where our next fold is going to be. Yep, you gotta open it up, and then you might not see very well, but 1/4, 2/4, and the half section. Okay, now from that quarter, we gotta fold. We're gonna fold it. Wait till I show you what it's the actual precise thing to do. Okay, now, do something like this. Like this. Okay, what I did was here being flat, I folded, I took the corner and then folded it to the quarter side, and you can see just a tiny bit where it's not folded, so then we can create kind of slanting triangle. And then towards the end, we have to leave 0.5 centimeters of space to 1.3 centimeters of space. Yep, we repeat on the other side. It has to be almost symmetrical, but it doesn't have to be fully symmetrical. Sorry if you look at you think that's a gay drawing. If you think that's a gay drawing because my bro drew it. I'm sure about that. And that's my brother's writing. And then it looks something like this. We are almost, we are halfway. Then we're gonna